Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Derringer L5p is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for your diesel truck. This compact powerhouse from Banks Power promises to significantly boost your horsepower and torque, offering a noticeable improvement in performance both on the road and off. But is it all hype, or does the Derringer L5p truly deliver on its promises? In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, performance gains, and overall value of this popular tuner, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your truck. Number 5. Banks Power Chevy GMC 2500 L5p 6.6L Ram Air Intake. Today, we're taking a look at the Banks Power Ram Air Intake System. This system is designed to improve your vehicle's performance. It's a great upgrade for any truck owner. This intake system significantly increases airflow to your engine. This allows the engine to breathe easier, resulting in more power and efficiency. You'll notice the difference immediately. The system provides excellent filtration, protecting your engine from harmful particles. This ensures that your engine stays clean and runs smoothly for a long time. It's a crucial feature for engine longevity. With its superior filtration and durable design, this intake system offers a longer service life. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily driving and off-road adventures. This means less maintenance and more time on the road. The design incorporates short ram air intakes for optimal performance. This configuration maximizes airflow and enhances engine responsiveness. It's a smart design choice. The ram air intake systems are engineered for peak performance. They are designed to deliver maximum power gains and improved fuel efficiency. It's a worthwhile investment for any truck enthusiast. What we like. This ram air intake system boosts airflow, ensuring your engine breathes easier. It also provides excellent filtration, protecting your engine from harmful debris. If you're looking for improved performance and longevity for your engine, this is a great choice. What people say. Instructions were clear and it was fairly easy to install. Banks cold air intake works great. Makes my truck breathe better. The throttle response was immediately noticeable and now I can hear my turbo whistle. Number 4. Edge Insight CTS 3 Digital Gauge 84130-3. This is the Edge Insight CTS 3, designed for 1996 and up OBD2 vehicles. It provides you with crystal clear data right at your fingertips. It's easy to install and use. The CTS 3 allows you to monitor your vehicle's performance in real time. You can keep track of vital information. This helps you to optimize your vehicle's performance. Installing this gauge is straightforward. It easily connects to your vehicle's OBD2 port. You'll be up and running in no time. The Edge Insight CTS 3 is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. It supports 1996 and newer OBD2 vehicles. This makes it a versatile choice for many drivers. By monitoring key data, it helps you to enhance your vehicle's performance. You can identify potential issues early. This helps to keep your vehicle running smoothly. What we like. This digital gauge offers crystal clear data at your fingertips. It provides an easy-to-use interface for monitoring your vehicle's performance. If you want a simple and effective way to keep an eye on your vehicle's vitals, this is a perfect solution. What people say. I upgraded to the Insight from a CTS2 Evolution diesel programmer. I did so because I found I programmed like 4 times and then for the next 7 years, every day, I just used the CTS2 for monitoring key diesel data, like EGT, boost, and urea level, and occasionally read cleared trouble codes. Bonus, I didn't even have to rewire the truck, as the cables were the same, and I just plugged the new CTS3 Insight right into the old ones. Being able to trigger a Regan when I know I am heading on a longer drive is awesome. Number 3. POWERTEQ Edge 85400-200 Evolution CTS3 Programmer. This is the most comprehensive, state-of-the-art, multi-gauge tuner touchscreen display on the market. It offers a user-friendly experience with all the features you need. The third-generation design is faster and more capable than ever before. It's been significantly upgraded to provide a seamless and responsive experience. It has power levels designed for daily driving, towing, performance, and extreme use. You can easily adjust it to suit your specific needs. Installation is simple, just plug it into the OBDII port. No wiring is required, making the setup process quick and easy. You can monitor key vehicle parameters like trans temp, boost, RPM, and dozens more. It gives you real-time data to keep you informed. What we like. This programmer offers comprehensive monitoring and multiple power levels. The simple installation means you can get up and running quickly. If you want to customize your driving experience with different power levels, this is the way to go. What people say. Works on 2006 Weekend Warrior motorhome on Kodiak chassis W6.6 Duramax engine. Worked really good. Shows a lot of diagnostics that is good to see. The pre-tunes seem to work really good. I got more power and better mileage set on the tow mode on my 2011 Duramax. Being able to start a Regan makes it handy to plan your Regans. Got this for my BF for Christmas and he said it already made 150 horsepower. In his 2500 HD Duramax. It's super easy to set up and overall amazing product. Number 2. Edge Insight CTS3 monitor for Chevy GMC Duramax. Introducing the Edge Insight CTS3, a cutting-edge monitor for your vehicle. This device allows you to observe and understand your vehicle's parameters with ease. It's the perfect tool for those who want to keep an eye on performance without complex programming. The Insight CTS3 delivers unmatched monitoring for any OBD2 vehicle, 1996 or newer. It works seamlessly with custom tuning products or as a standalone monitor. This gives you total insight into how your vehicle is performing. The Insight is the market's top choice for digital gauge monitors, favored by both daily drivers and enthusiasts. It's a comprehensive, state-of-the-art, multi-gauge touchscreen display. This monitor boasts a 5-inch full-color, high-resolution, swipe screen. You can customize the colors, layouts, and backgrounds to your liking. It also includes an HDMI-style plug for accessories and easy menu navigation. The third generation is faster, slimmer, and smoother than ever before. The new design includes a 5-inch full-color capacitive touchscreen and a high-speed processor. This provides easy swipe gestures and navigation. This product is specifically designed for 2001 to 2007 Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra 6.6L LB7 Eli Lilly LBZ Duramax Diesel 2500 HD 3500 HD. It's a vehicle-specific fit, ensuring optimal performance. What we like. This digital gauge provides a comprehensive display of your vehicle's parameters. It's easy to install and offers customizable options to suit your preferences. If you like to monitor your vehicle's performance with a sleek, user-friendly interface, you should consider this. What people say. One of its standout features is the ability to monitor multiple parameters simultaneously. You can track things like boost pressure, exhaust gas temperatures, EGT, transmission temperatures, and fuel pressure, all in real time. The device also includes diagnostic capabilities, allowing you to read and clear trouble codes directly from the monitor. Knowing your boost torque and HP is also nice. Number 1. Banks Power 64311 Pedal Monster Kit. This is the Banks Power Pedal Monster Kit, Model 64311. It's designed for use with your existing i- and or Derringer. This kit enhances your vehicle's performance. The kit features a Molex MX64 6-way standalone design. It's built for easy integration with your existing setup. This ensures a seamless and efficient installation process. This kit is specifically designed for use with i-1.8. It works in conjunction with your existing i- system. This allows you to monitor and control your vehicle's performance. With this kit, you can expect improved throttle response. It provides a more engaging driving experience. It's a great upgrade for any truck enthusiast. The kit is designed for straightforward installation. It integrates seamlessly with your existing components. You'll be back on the road in no time. What we like. This kit is designed for use with your existing i- system. It enhances throttle response, giving you more control over your vehicle. If you already have an i- and want to take your driving experience to the next level, this is a great addition. What people say. The Derringer is a game changer for the L5p platform. The i- is a great way to monitor everything. The Banks Derringer is a must-have for any L5p owner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.